Hey everyone, this is Lucy, and in this video, I will be showing you how to fix no volume in YouTube. So first, come to your taskbar and click on this quick access bar. Here, you need to make sure that your volume is not in mute and your volume is higher so that you can hear the music or any sound from YouTube. So now, here in your search, type SNDVOL.exe. Press enter and you'll be headed to this dialog box. So here, you need to make sure that the browser you're using has the volume increased so you can hear it properly. Now, the last fix is to make sure that your browser is not mute. Go to your browser. Here, go to youtube.com and make sure that you don't have your tab muted. So if there is an option called unmute site, then just unmute it and you'll be able to hear the YouTube contents. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. For more tutorials, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.